Hello, I am Arjun. This is an unboxing of the Nitho Janus headphones. Themed as PS5, these are very light compared to the other gaming headphones. They cost as low as 370 rupees and are reasonably good for their money. The headphones have a headband padding. The ear cushions are soft and appear quite comfortable. There's an adjustable microphone. There's a scroll type volume control button in the line and a mute switch that turns the microphone on or off. The 3.5 mm audio jack is compatible with phones and tablets. If you wish to connect the headphones to a computer that does not have a 3.5 mm jack, you need to use the splitter cable. Thankfully, Nitho has included one in the box. Although these are budget headphones, they come with 50 mm drivers, made mostly of plastic. They are also very light. The MRP on the box is 2700, but as I told you, they are available for 370 during the current festival season on online stores. Nitho Janus comes in various colors: green black, red black, but these are blue white, which are PS5 colors. These headphones fit quite well for me. I've tried them and it does not hurt the ears even after long sessions. One thing though, I thought these were over the ear headphones, but they are not. They are on the ear type. They are comfortable though, but you get to hear the world a little bit too. Over ear cushions are usually 5 to 10% bigger than the ears. The earmuffs of over ear headphones are mostly oval shaped, which the Nitho Janus is not. All in all, this is a very good product for the money. It should last for quite some time if this headband extension is operated smoothly. I bought this from Amazon and you can find this link in the description of the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for your time. This is Arjun and Vishnu signing off.